Well, hello again. Today we're going to mess with my first challenge lock. It's called Brain Drain. It's sent to me by a buddy of mine, so we'll see how she goes. We'll do a size 50 tensioner. Let's see what we get. Oh, get moving right off the first pin. Second pin, rotation, a little third, number 3, 4, 5, oh, actually that was a quick pick. Alright, well, let's see what's inside this guy. Let's get it off center. Alright. So the key pins are standard. There's only 5 pins. Alright, so we'll do the same order. Let's see what they made. Alright. Let's do it this way so you can see the whole pin. So there's the first one. Looks lightly serrated. Second pin is spooled, kind of mushroomed, it looks like. That's cool. I guess it's serrated. The center actually is kind of pushed out a little more. I'm not sure if it was kind of a barrel-ish type. Or maybe even the tapered top and bottom. Fourth one is spooled shape. Kind of almost like the graduated spools. And the fifth one is kind of partially spooled. I'm not sure what we'd call that one exactly, but still neat nonetheless. But awesome. First one down actually even has mismatched springs. Maybe changing up the tension or whatnot, but cool. All right. That was the Brain Drain Challenge Lock beat. Thank you guys for watching.